Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up with new idea. I mean to say like I'm gonna talk about news. I know that's a kind of a very critical topic and we shouldn't talk because it can take my you know channel down because there are so many politicians, so many powerful businessmen and all like that exist in the face of the earth, especially in India, because we are a part of India. And being Indian, I know very well that what happens with all the content creators like who create such kind of videos, who raise their voice against the corruptions. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about the same thing. So first, try to know about the news. What is exactly news, guys? News is something that we should know. I mean, we are part of a particular country. As we are Indians, so definitely we are part of India. So, what is our responsibility? Our responsibility is to know what is exactly happen in our country, in our own country. Who is in the power? If we have selected, if we have elected someone, and that person is sitting at a particular level, or who is leading the whole country, I mean our India, right? So he has a lot of responsibility. But on this other side, I know that he has a lot of responsibility to take care of the people of our country, India, right? But being a citizen of India, it's our responsibility as well to know what exactly they are doing. Suppose they are in the power just because of people of India, because we have supported and we have given our vote to those leaders, to that leader, that particular leader that is in the power. Like in current scenario, let's take example, and not a example, it's a reality, it's a fact. BJP is in the power, right? So it's our responsibility what exactly they are doing it. If they are doing it right thing for our country, we should appreciate them. We should like spread the love, among the people, uh, wherever we are living it, right? But if someone who is in the power, who is ruling the country, who is ruling the particular area or city or state, so we should be taking care of the thing they are doing it. I mean, whatever the fund they are raising to develop our city or area or state, we should know how much are they raising, you know and how much money they are spending on that particular project. If we don't know anything about the investment that they are doing in our own city, then it's useless to live in our own country. It's useless to say that you are a citizen of your own country. It means that you are blind believer. What is blind believer? Let me tell you that blind believer is someone who that we call in Hindi andhbhakt. If somebody is watching my video who doesn't know Hindi language, so it means andhbhakt means blind believer. Blind believer is someone who hates always, who spreads negativity, who always wants us to fight. I mean, Andhbhakt is a person, a blind believer is a person who is not able to see what is happening that in front of him. I mean, if somebody is in the power, let's take example of BJP. If BJP is in the power, and that Andhbhakt would be, or there is a possibility that Andhbhakt or blind believer would be a member, not a member exactly, a kind of a supporter of BJP. So that blind believer, that Andhbhakt, will support that particular party blindly. Doesn't matter what they are exactly doing, what BJP or other party is doing. If the party is doing great job, that's cool, that's we want. We are the people of India, citizen of India, so we also want the same thing. We also want that our leader do great job, so that's the reason they are doing it. Apart from that, what that Andhbhakt does, he doesn't see whatever he is doing. he will support him blindly, whether that leader is doing great job or bad job. Even what happens, like if a leader who is in the power and that person is doing a bad job, I mean like coming up with bad law which is not good for our society, our country, you know, still that andhbhakt, that blind believer will support him that blindly, you know. So right now as I can see that I have got a uh, you know, like I don't know what do we call it, but yeah, it's beautiful. But yeah, so let's come to the point. So I was talking about the blind believer like andhbhakt. So andhbhakt, I have given you example, or apart from that there are thousands or lakhs of andhbhakt or blind believer exists in every country. I'm not talking about India. Like in this scenario, I'm not talking about India. In every country there are blind believer like who support their leader blindly. Doesn't matter what they are doing it. They are doing corruption. So what those andhbhakt will do, they will let those leaders do whatever they are doing it. They won't raise their voice against their leader, because if they raise their voice, so what would they feel, you know, like those believer, what would they feel? They would feel that yeah, I supported that leader. If I would raise my voice against that leader, so he will, you know, get like he will get like what do we call exactly? Okay, let it be. So yeah, so like they don't want to see. So now like let's come to the main point of this video. So I was talking about the news. So news responsibility or job is to show the ground reality of our country, of our country, whatever happening in our society, in our country, their responsibility to show the reality. But in today's scenario, I would like to tell you there is a Godi media. What is Godi media? Godi media. Godi media is someone who supports one particular party. Maybe that party is in the power, and that one particular party who is in the power, who is ruling the country, they will make those journalists do anything whatever they want because they are in the power. If any journalist raise their voice against the ruling party who is in the power, so those journalists job will be in the danger, because that is the reality. I'm telling you the fact. And it's not that only Godi media is responsible or accountable for this. It's not like that, because they have also family. They have also have to run their homes in a house. They have to take care of their family. So just because of that pressure, the finance, especially finance, they are doing the so-called jobs they shouldn't be doing, but they don't have any other option. That's the reason they literally don't have any option. So they are bound to do the job they are doing, they shouldn't be doing. So you know, the news channel has become a part of one particular organization or a particular party. And on the other side, they do not, you know, like as I already told you, that they do not show the ground reality. Instead of raising their voice against the corruption, against the unemployment, you know, against the education, I mean like for education, I mean to say, you know, they are talking about Hindu Muslim. Let's take example of the new trend that is going on, that somebody, you know, has made a banner of I love Muhammad. So a policeman arrested that person. So the question raises that what is the problem in that I love Muhammad? Being a Muslim, if he is creating a kind of image, not a God image, because in Islam there is no image of that God. They believe in that God is formless, Allah is formless. But he didn't create an image of an image of a God. He created a just a kind of a sentence that I love Muhammad in his style. So what police did, he arrested, he detained that person, and he is in the custody. At the time he was in the custody. I don't know the current scenario what happened to that person. So after that what happened, like police started raising against these things. Instead of catching the terrorists, instead of catching the gamblers, I mean, like, there are so many things in society which is bad. But instead of catching those people who are doing bad job, they are catching those people who are spreading the love, showing the love, like in terms of, in the way of I love Muhammad. Suppose, being a Hindu, if I write or if I create an image of that I love Maryada Purushottam Sri Ram, because being a Hindu, we believe in you know a lot of God. There are so many gods in Hindu religion. But if I write and show the poster in front of, so will they also arrest me? So the question raises in that way as well. So what media is doing, like they are unnecessary, inviting other religious gurus, preachers, uh, and to talk about these unnecessary debate, instead of talking about the real issues which is happening in reality. So this is the very bad thing of India that I don't like it.